Hello everyone, and dear love Vio. Now short video how to set a rally and how to join to Kingdom Ruin rally, and in that you don't need to. The kitty find a good strategy, and this is really good for the players who are afraid to open shield, to get rallies, to who are not still strong enough for something like this, and this will be really great help. We need, of course, a little bit of wait when this everything starts, and now the battle for the ruin start. Go on my rally skills, skill the castle. I will make it on highest what can make a rally, also the most time. It is actually like, let's say, 60 minutes rally. In that time already Kitty and Rebel Knight also set a rally. Okay. There should be rally set on 60 minutes from the Kitty, the one rally. But okay, we still have, of course, a time to do this, because first we need to now at the moment stuck sometimes with the words and waiting and or stay quiet. This is now, let's say, like some live streaming, and we're waiting the real time to make this what we wanted to make it. Kitty rally was taken 5 members till now. Girls, Morita, Kitty and Melee. Attacking with the rallies and killing troops, try to killing troops. Too much. To tell this also, so we have actually a deal also with the First Alliance that they will help us whatever they can to try to protect us, that we get this defensive damage what we tried. Also situation is at the moment will be just simply leave it to this ruin to us. They already make today many wars, and we fight. I also take 2 rallies, and I have one mistake, make it a huge mistake, which bring me also a lot of damage and losing. In my main hero on the walls, I was missed the equipment, a weapon equipment on my hero, Archangel, and I was get bad stats and not strong enough and to lose. Also, this was stats what I have it there, and this is also what I want to now show you. It's really interesting what Kitty wrote. Use Eagle Witch skill. If you see it, it is a good advice and tip. This and Melee, great, he know. my girlfriend, my wife, my friend, my everything, Kitty Killy. You'll see now. We don't have enough. It is something what we miss. And as you see now, it's the attacking, actually the girls and also the Rebel Knight who help a lot. Is it's a job for the aliens. We can do and what will be happen. So the point is, actually now I can start talking because soon will be the finish. The point is, we still have a shield, and when we set our rallies on until from the first stage when was the killing troops, and you all join to rallies and your shield let it, you still have the shield. It is for the members who don't understand much, or don't understand good English, please go in Alien Chat and read it. And now when it's open, immediately try to take it. So use it, the rally skill. I use it. Why is my march so much? 40 minutes, this I don't 10. And now you can see it. So we take the rally, we make the rally, we take the building, the details, how much troops in this rally, and they already take it. They already take it. Who attack it? Ben Run. It was, like I said before, it is only testing. And the others can learn how to join rallies fast and no need to worry about shield. Now, is it impossible to win? That's true. Kitty have right, because it is. Yeah, but wait. I hope the kitty still didn't release the rally, okay? I need to heal the troops. Now is also one good time to show you how to heal the troops without that will cost you resources. In the video I already make it. And we will see it now. For example, now when I skill it on a combat and fighting and I get wounded in my defense, my rallies,